Hey everybody, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, guys, we are getting ready to go to church and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So come on, y'all, let's go. Hey guys, so we are at Walmart picking up some last minute things for Lexi's apartment and getting some cleaning supplies and stuff like that. We got some stuff, but we didn't get everything the last time we went out. So we're in her city now. And actually tonight I'm gonna spend the night with her. So I'm excited about that. We've just been cleaning and trying to decorate and all that stuff. So just wanted to catch you guys up and let you guys know what we're doing. Yes, I'm so excited. So I'll show you her apartment. She has a movie theater and some other things she wants to show me when we get back. So I'll show you guys all of that. But I just want to open up the vlog to say, hey, we're at Walmart. Getting some last minute things for her. Walmart is starting to put their fall stuff out. Okay. I love these gnomes. They're so cute. They don't got a lot out yet. They still like moving the summer stuff. And the back to school stuff is out too, of course. So that's cute. And a scarecrow. They got a whole Claire's store in there. So cool. Okay, so this is Lexi's lounge area in her apartment. And gym. Ooh. She wants to see the gym room, child. There are no off days, okay? Wow. It's small. It's little? No, it's big. I want to see her view from this window. We'll be all the way on the 13th floor. Look at the view of her city. So pretty.
I didn't know which key was.
I know. The lady, the office person, manager, whatever. She gave us the key. She was trying to figure out which key it was, and she's telling Lexi which key works for it. This is a nice area when she wants to get a break from her apartment. And it's a movie theater too? Right there. Hold on. Oh, they got video games. Oh, they do got a backyard, a back area. I just asked you. She's like, I don't know. I said, I bet you guys got a back area. Outside, rooftop. What? Hi, sis. This is so cute. Wow. You like it? Yes. She's got a whole little grill set over here. Okay, okay. Nice. You gonna be grilling? Oh, is a who? A pool? I thought you said y'all got a pool here. Oh, okay. This is nice. I don't know why my hair keeps sticking up, but this is really, really nice. So cute. Okay, so now we're gonna go show y'all the movie theater. I guess we're gonna give y'all a little tour of Lexi's apartment. It's a big step right here. Hold on, chill. Wow. Wow. I don't know. Let's ask her. This is nice. Oh, this is so dope. I know everybody say the word damn, whatever, demure. What's that word everybody say, demure? The lady right there, ask her. This is so cute. Nice chandelier. Okay, y'all, so as I said, we have been cleaning Lexi's apartment, and we just got back from Walmart not too long ago. And what else did we do? Oh, I ran and got something to eat, and she's resting. I'll show you the rest of her. She's like started putting some stuff out. She got a little purple decor. It's so cute. But we're getting ready to go to bed. I'm tired. It's way later on. I didn't even come back. We just bought her some pillows, and she needs some more pillows and paper towels, toilet paper, stuff like that. So I wasn't nothing really to show. I had ran to the car, about the time I came back, she didn't put the stuff away, child. So I couldn't even show y'all anyway. But it wasn't a whole lot. And then we just got some snacks and stuff. And yeah, so she starts orientation tomorrow. So I'm gonna spend a night here with her, and then I'll probably be sleeping when she's gonna do her orientation. And then I'm gonna come back. Well, when she come back, I'll probably go home. We're gonna go home later on. And I don't know if I don't think she has to be back up here until Friday. So I don't know if she's gonna come back immediately or what. I haven't even talked to her about it. I don't know. But yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to catch all up to what we were doing. I'm just literally sitting here editing and watching some YouTube videos, catching up on everybody's channels. So yeah, that's how we doing. We're gonna watch a movie or something, and then probably crash, because I told you I just got off work. I just did a double shift. I worked Saturday night, went to church, overnight shift, got off at 9, went to church at 11, came back to work at 3, just got off this morning, and I'm here. And I still have not been asleep, so sis finna get some shut-eye. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. I'll show y'all probably the rest of her apartment in the light tomorrow, because it looks so cute. She got her purple. Honey, she loves color purple, and it looks really, really cute. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Y'all, so today, I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm going back home. I spent the night last night with Lexi. I think I said that. She is off to her orientation. She's getting ready to start teaching the littles next week, I believe. And I'm so excited for her, y'all. I know she's gonna do excellent and amazing. She is so good with little kids. She's gonna be a preschool teacher, but she wanted kindergarten, but I guess they filled up with the kindergarten. So she's gonna get preschool again. She already It's the same school as she worked at before, so she's familiar with the school. And I'm just so excited for her. It's actually not even that far from where she lives, so that's great, especially in the wintertime when she had to drive back and forth to work. So I'm so excited. So she's at orientation. I'm getting ready to get up and get dressed and start the day. And I'm gonna show, I think I told you I was gonna show y'all around her apartment, how she kind of decorated her kitchen and stuff. And then I guess I can show you guys that now. Let me get dressed and then I'll show y'all. Okay, so here's a quick overview of her apartment. She just has a cute little living room. And then there's her bedroom. This is her kitchen. Can you tell what her favorite color is, child? If you don't know, now you know. Yeah, so she has a purple air fryer and her purple blender. Yeah. And of course, she got the purple Stanley with her utensils. So this is her bathroom. Okay, this is her bathroom. Very cute. Then you walk out here. The fan stays on, it's so annoying. And then this is her bedroom. Real nice. She's not finished, and then she has a walk-in closet right there. So this is her room. This is her office. She hasn't set up her stuff in here yet, but this is her little office space. Isn't it cute? So cute. It has a little laundry room. I forgot to show you guys this. Yeah. So cute. I don't know why they don't have a shelf up there, but cute. Yes. This is the place. The babies.
That's nice. What grade? K through 12?
Preschool. I can teach from preschool to second grade.
Oh, okay, so little guys.
Yeah, the little kids.
That'd be nice.
Today for me. You did what?
Into the finance world.
Oh, okay. Finance. Yeah. Yeah, teaching. You gotta have some
It's
money for
very
that.
rewarding.
Love. Yeah, it
It's
is.
very rewarding because you see the improvement of kids
Yeah.
and how they progress.
Uh-huh.
So that's
The
I
beauty
guess
of it.
what makes you
Being a teacher.
feel good about yourself.
Yeah.
You were part of their life.
Yeah.
That's good.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
All right, thank you, Philo. Huh? Uh-huh. It's got some chips and salsa. It's off this hot. Oh. And we just ordered because Lexi wanted to try their chicken and steak tacos. What? Steak and shrimp. What is it? Chicken and steak. Yeah, she wanted to try their steak and shrimp tacos. Okay, y'all, I have been so horrible at vlogging today. So what happened? So I was taking pictures and videos of the house and then of Lexi's apartment, and then I got a phone call. We was on the phone for a minute, and then James called me after that. I got up, took my shower, got dressed, all that stuff. Then Lexi came home and we talked about her day. She was trying to get her new computer to work, and yeah, so we was just talking about her day mostly and how time got away from us. So then she packed up her little bag because she ended up coming back home. We were trying to find something to eat. I didn't eat anything all day, but like snacking here and there. What else happened? So then we came back here. We were gonna go to Popeyes, but then we ended up just going. She wanted to go to Azul Celeste. So I showed their video. I mean, I showed a video of their restaurant before and like a review, and she keeps saying their shrimp and shrimp and chicken steak tacos. So she's like, let's try that. So I was like, okay. So we went there tonight. It was very, very good. We were talking to the owner, Pilo. Pilo. He was like, I can't believe you remember my name. And I was like, well, because the way you taught me how to say your name, I still remembered it. How about I forgot his wife's name? His wife's name was Laura, and I forgot her name. She got an easy name, but I remember him. So he came to the table. He was talking to us, and we were talking about Lexi, you know, moving into college. I mean, to her apartment, and how she wanted to be a teacher. So he was giving her advice and just stuff like that. So we was just talking because he said he used to teach too, and yeah, so he was encouraging her, and it was very, very nice. And baby, we at home now, and sis could barely keep her eyes open, but we're watching the Democratic thing with Michelle Obama for Kamala Harris. I don't do politics on my page, so don't y'all say nothing. But that's what we're watching. And Michelle looks good, okay? You know, it's in Chicago. She looks good with that ponytail in her hair, okay? But yeah, so I'm getting ready to go to bed because I still ain't been asleep, y'all. I'm getting ready to go to bed. But I'm just so proud of my baby, and I love her apartment. I hope you guys liked it too. I think she's gonna do an apartment tour or something or whatever. So if she does, I will share it on here. Because she posted on her Snapchat, and all her friends like, yes, we want to see apartment tour. So hopefully she does that. I want her to get back into vlogging and doing her YouTube channel. She said she wanted to when she started teaching, so let's hope. And let's hope that she finds a great job teaching next school year. So yeah. So anyway, y'all have a good night. I'm going to bed. I will talk to y'all later. All right. Bye, y'all.